What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a fake donation on your Twitch or YouTube stream. This will be a pretty easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. So first of all, log in to StreamLabs with your Twitch or YouTube account. The link will be in the description below. When you're logged in, open up the widgets section and then alert box. If you haven't set up your alerts on OBS yet, then copy your widget URL and paste it as a source of your browser source in OBS or any other streaming software. Add a new source on OBS, select browser source. Name it whatever you want, and on this new window, paste the widget URL and set the width to 800 and height to 600. Click on OK and you should be done. Now go to the donation settings and set up the donation you want to see. Here you can set your donation message template, change the GIF animation and so on. After setting up your donation alert, save your changes. Now select Test Donation in order to get a donation alert. These test alerts are usually used to check if the alert settings are properly set, but you can also test your donation alert while streaming or recording. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.